Do you want to get started with marketing, but you have no experience? This video is for you. I'm going to talk about how to get started from scratch with digital marketing. Whether you're looking to be a freelancer or you want to enhance your career, these are the tools that you need. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with 10 free beginner-friendly courses that you can do right now. The great thing about digital marketing is that you can get started easily and for free. There are actually so many quality free courses out there. A lot of them are provided by the companies that make the software. Is that a good thing or not? I'm not sure, but I actually would say after working in marketing for a long time that some of the courses are very good. After you've done a digital marketing course, the next part is that you need to use your skills. You need to test what you've done. You need to create something, publish it. You need to test what you've been working on and understand really in the real world what works and what doesn't. In fact, each of the places that I'm going to share have many courses on digital marketing. So go through, have a look what they've got and find the best one for what you need at your stage. I'll also share which ones have certifications. And with some of these certifications, you can post them on your LinkedIn profile as well. So that's another great boost for you if you're looking for freelancing work or you're looking for a job. And all of the links are in the description of this video, so you can go straight to it, find the one you want. I don't have any affiliate links set up as of today. That could change. But the point is that I have either used these courses or researched them, and I know that these companies are good and the courses that they provide are also good. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Sarah, and I've spent the last 8 years as a remote marketing consultant. I also have a degree and a postgraduate degree in marketing, and I was part of a group at the Chartered Institute of Marketing for a while. I'm here to help you optimize your marketing so you can save time and increase your return on investment. So this is a guide for those of you that are getting started with digital marketing. Now, in the area of digital marketing, there are many different parts to consider. You may be thinking about specializing in a certain area, or you may be wanting to get more of a general idea about everything, perhaps more looking at a manager kind of role where you're looking at all the different sectors. To think about digital marketing, at the core of it is usually the company's website. That's where we always want to be taking people back to. So when you're posting something on social media, or they find something through an ad, through Google, whatever it is, we're taking them back to the website at that point. And there are many different good reasons for doing that. These are the main areas in digital marketing. Firstly, SEO, search engine optimization. This is about ranking a website organically on Google and improving its ranking in order to get more clicks from the right people. The next is social media marketing, and that's using different social media channels, maybe even just one social media channel, to get to the right audience, to generate awareness for the company and to get leads or to make sales from a link on social media. The next is paid ads, and there are lots of different ways you can do paid ads. There's through search, something like Google, or there's also social ads, and there are other ways that you can do this as well. Paid ads is a very wide subject. Usually people will focus on one platform like Google Ads, or one paid social platform like Facebook ads, for example. And there are loads of those different ways you can go into that. Another one is email marketing. This is very important for reaching your customer base directly. So once you've got their email address, they're not using any platforms anymore. They're not using a social media platform. They're not Googling. You have direct contact with that person. So the whole point of email marketing is getting people to click on the emails, to go through to the website, to see their engagement. There's a lot of parts to that, but that's where you're a little bit closer to the customer at this point. Another aspect of digital marketing is content marketing. Now, this goes across quite a few different channels and platforms, but content marketing is all about the kind of content that you're showing to the customer at what stage. And the last bit is the analytics, data, and reporting side of digital marketing. There are jobs or even consultants where all they're focusing on is looking at the data, working out what the data is saying, what the next step should be, what the plan should be, reporting it to show higher up execs an overview of everything rather than showing them every single piece of data, because in digital marketing there are so many data points you can look at. You can get completely lost in the data for hours looking at every single little point, but what you need to know is which parts are significant and what the data actually means, how to analyze it, and what step to take next. So taking a course will give you a solid foundation of knowledge. It really is a great starting point if you want to learn more about a particular area of digital marketing, or if you're completely starting from scratch. Usually these courses are not just looking at one platform, although for some of them you can get certified in certain areas, but they're also looking at more complex ideas in marketing, more strategy, more psychology, really explaining the strategy and planning part behind all of these areas. So the first one I have for you is the Foundations of Digital Marketing, and that's on Google Skillshop. This is a free course with a certification, and you can share it on your LinkedIn profile as well. It's a comprehensive course that covers the basics of digital marketing, like search engine optimization, paid ads, social media, and email marketing. The next one is on HubSpot Academy, and that's their digital marketing course. HubSpot have a wide range of courses on inbound marketing, digital marketing, SEO, content marketing, and certifications for their platform as well. This course is free and you get a certification as well. The next one is the Digital Marketing Toolkit by SEMRush. SEMrush is primarily an SEO platform. They have courses on SEO, content marketing, PPC, and digital marketing in general. This course is also free and it has a certification. The next one is Meta Blueprint. It used to be called Facebook Blueprint, and this is where you can learn all about digital marketing, but there are also specifically courses about Meta or Facebook, how to use the platform for organic social media and how to use it from the paid side as well. The courses are free, but there is not a free certification for this one. There are some paid courses that you can get a certification from. The next one is the Google Analytics Academy. This is where you can learn how to use Google Analytics to track website performance and analyze how the website's doing. The courses are free with this one, but it doesn't have a certification. The next one is the WordStream PPC University. These are free resources that you can use to learn pay-per-click advertising or ads. They're more like guides rather than a course, but it's a very reputable company and it's all free. The next one is the Canva Design School. In here, you can learn the basics of design and social media content. The courses are free, but there's not a certification with this one. The next one is the LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning actually has quite a wide range of courses on lots of different business areas. And they have courses on digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing. LinkedIn Learning is free with the trial package they have, and they don't have certifications on there, but I believe you can take assessments on LinkedIn, which will then show up on your profile. The next one is Ahrefs SEO course. Ahrefs is the platform that I use for SEO software, and the course will teach you the basics of optimizing your website for search engines. It is free, but there is not a certification with this one. The last one is the Hootsuite Academy. Hootsuite is a tool that's used for social media and scheduling. Some of their courses are free and some of them are paid with a certification, but there are free courses that you can use. Okay, so I've explained the landscape of digital marketing, the different areas that you might want to look into, and then 10 free courses that you can explore to get you started with digital marketing. Even if you just do a few of these courses, you will have so much knowledge. I genuinely believe that they're very good quality courses and you will learn a lot. I really hope it goes well for you. Let me know how you get on with these courses. I'd love to hear from you. Please can you do one thing for me? Click the like button if you found this helpful. And for more marketing tips, click subscribe. Finally, please check out my latest video, which you can see here. Thanks for watching. And here's to your marketing success.